Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noella Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of cream from heaven, or in other words,
Natas the cell.
the ingredients which I am using for this recipe are 25 Marie biscuits, 3 eggs, separate the egg yolks and the egg whites, total 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, half cup of whipping cream. Grind 25 Marie biscuits into fine powder and keep aside. To make the sugar syrup, in a saucepan add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of water. Stir on medium flame till it thickens. Switch off the flame once it thickens and let it cool. Keep aside. In a bowl add half cup of whipping cream. Beat it. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here I did not add more sugar as the whipping cream is sweet. If you want, you can add more sugar as per your taste. Beat it. Beat till you get stiff peaks. Keep aside. In a bowl add 3 egg whites. Beat it. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Beat till you get stiff peaks and keep aside. In a bowl beat 3 egg yolks and strain it. Add the egg yolks to the cooled sugar syrup. On low flame keep stirring it till it thickens. Once it thickens, the egg mixture is ready. Switch off the flame. Add the egg whites to the whipped cream and fold it gently till it's fully mixed properly. To assemble the dessert, add a thin layer of biscuit powder. Then add the whipping cream. Follow the same steps to make the rest of the layers. For the last layer, add the egg mixture and spread it. You can decorate it with little biscuit powder and refrigerate it for 2 hours. Enjoy the yummy dessert. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.